Alright, so today we're doing another penguin. Yes, I know, I've already done a penguin. Here's a different one. Pretty similar, but not too terribly different. Okay? Alright, so this one is folded from a square. Alright, I used more or less standard size, so 15 centimeter or 6-inch origami paper. Okay? Since it's a square, you can, in theory, use any size, but it just needs to be a square. Okay? Because otherwise some of the folds won't work right. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set this one to the side so we can get started on learning how to fold it, shall we? Alright, so let's get started on our penguin design. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a standard square here, 15 centimeter or 6 inches approximately. Okay, alright, so we're going to start by folding it in half along the diagonal. Okay, so we're going to take the tip and go to the tip. Alright. Okay. Alright, so our next step is to take this top edge. Okay, we're going to fold it down. Alright, but we're not going to go all the way to the center. We're going to go probably about halfway. Alright. Okay, so it's going to end up looking something kind of like this. Okay, we're going to need to do this both sides. Okay. All right. Make sure you get your best to do those all nice and neat and straight and lined up. They need to be as equal as possible. All right. So we're going to unfold it now. So it looks like this. Okay, and we're going to fold up the bottom edge. Okay, not all the way, but just a little. Okay, and you need to do your best to make sure it's straight by lining up the creases. Okay, and we're going to go to the top point, and we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to fold it back. Okay, and again, do your best to make sure it gets lined up straight by matching the creases. Okay, all right. So now we're going to fold it in half again. All right. Okay, so we've got something kind of like this. Now this is going to become our head. So we're going to take it very carefully and just pull it up. All right. And then refold the edges. All right. Okay, did you see that? So it went from this. Okay. We're going to just take this and pull it up so that it ends up like this. All right. And there you go. Your penguin. All right. I'll admit it does look just a little bit better if you use two-sided paper, but with the sides opposite colors, because then you can see the contrast between the wing and the body better. But I think it still looks pretty good this way, all single color. All right, here's your penguin.